In this tutorial, I'll have to show you how you can use this formula that is expressed as a function to find the square root, the zeros of a quadratic equation. Don't be surprised, okay? I know this formula is really gonna get you amazed, but please don't get confused, alright? Come on, let's go. Suppose we have 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. I shall, apply this formula to get the zeros of this, okay, or the real roots of this equation here. Let's go. We now say, let's note that this is a non-monic quadratic equation. A non-monic in the sense that the coefficient of this quadratic term here is higher than what? Unity, alright? If it were to be equal to unity, then it is called a monic quadratic equation. Alright, let's f of x equals the non-monic expression, which is 2x squared minus 5x minus 3, such that if its first derivative, which is written as f prime of x, is equals to 4x, that is 2 times 2 here, is 4x, 2 minus 1 is what? 1, okay? Then minus 5, okay? Don't worry, in my consequent videos, when I teach about derivative, I will show you how we get all this, okay? So, alright, call this equation 1, equation 2, alright? So now, I will have to substitute these two equations into the formula to have, in place of f prime of x, I will have this. 4x minus 5 equal to plus or minus the root of 4x minus 5 all squared minus 4a minus 4a. But what is my a? My a is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So in place of here, I write 8 of f of x. F of x is the first equation, which is 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. Now I have 4x minus 5 equals to plus or minus the root of, I will expand the bracket. If you expand the binomial here, you will have 4x all squared will give you 16x squared. 4x times 5 times 2, a constant 2. By the binomial formula, you will have minus 40x, okay? Then 5 minus 5 squared is plus 25. Then minus 8 times 2 is 16x squared. Minus is plus. 8 times 5 is 40x. 8 times, minus is plus, 8 times 3 is 24, okay? Alright, 24. Now I take like terms from the expression inside the square roots, okay? Now 16x squared and 16x squared will be striking out. Minus 40x and plus 40x goes out. I'm left with 25 plus 24. I have 4x minus 5 equals to plus or minus the root of 49, since the sum of these two gives us 49. Okay? Wow. Let me clean this, okay? Let me just clean this, alright? I'll get everything now, okay? Now, I have 4x equals to 5 plus or minus. If I take the square root of this 49, I have 7, right? Okay, then I divide through by what? 4, cancel out, I have x equals to 5 plus 7 gives me what? What is this? Now 5 plus 7 gives me 12, right? Okay, all over 4. Or for the minus sign, 5 minus 7 gives me minus 2, right? All over 4. So, if you use 4 by itself is 1, 4 by this is 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Or, 2 by itself here is minus 1, 2 by 4 here is 2. So, do you see? Actually, I've gotten the zeros of the quadratic equation that I cleaned before. Alright? I know this formula actually is making you to be left open-mouthed. Come on, don't worry, in my next video I will show you how I derived this formula. Do you know that maths is fun? Maths is fun when you listen with rapt attention. Maths is fun when you have a full interest. Mathematics is nothing so far you have a full interest in it. Please do follow my page for more videos. Thank you for watching.